YouTube channel, MUA Shade. I'm going to be showing you girls this new eyeshadow tutorial. It's going to be on this Pineapple of My Eye palette by Tarte, and I'm more or less going to be using the purples and more or less the maroons and pinks for this eyeshadow video. So yeah, just make sure you stay in tune and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram. First, I'm going to go in with this color called Samba, and I'm going to apply it more or less in my crease. Next, I'm going to be using this Float On pigment that's on the top on my brow bone. Now we can start with a blending brush. It's kind of like a flat blending brush, I'd say, with the Summer Share. I'm just going to slowly pack it in circles. This purple right here is called Short Shorts, and this will go on the outer corners. Now I'm just going to get a blending brush and blend out from my brow bone and the pink color I first applied. Then we are going to cut our crease with this concealer. It's called Black Up. I used a little bit of this, and I also mixed it with the BYS concealer. So I mixed both of them because sometimes I like different consistencies. One product might have more quality and the other product kind of just loosens it up so it can be easier to work with. I bake my eyelids with this translucent powder from Kat Von D. On my lid, I'm going to be using this mimosa color and apply it thoroughly. Moving on to Smoothie Bar, we are going to apply that pigment right here. This eyeliner is from e.l.f. It is a liquid liner. Better Than Sex eyeliner. I got this in my Pineapple at Heart collection from Tarte. Maybelline Studio. It is a gel eyeliner. The mascara that I'm using is also from my Pineapple at Heart collection by Tarte. So yeah, this is pretty much my look for the Smokey Eyeshadow. It's kind of like a cut crease purple smoky eyeshadow, I would say. If you want to get this palette, you can get it from Sephora, or you can check out my review if you want to more or less do some more research. Yeah, just click this link that's gonna pop up and you can see what I think about the palette and some other cool tips on how to use these colors. Yeah, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at Realist Arts and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I thank you guys again for coming to this wonderful place called MUA Shade.